The gateway to a smarter home is here. With the My Smart Blinds Automation Kit, you can quickly and easily transform your windows into your home's hub for all things privacy, security, lighting, and temperature. The My Smart Blinds Automation Kit is designed to give you the power to upgrade your home's efficiency. It's easy to install and can have your blinds fully automated in just minutes. Simply take down your blinds, install the included hardware, and be well on your way to a smarter home. With the My Smart Blind smartphone app, you can enable sun tracking to maintain light levels as the seasons change. Energy savings mode will give your blinds the power to adjust your home's temperature, so My Smart Blinds will pay for themselves in heating and cooling savings. Live smarter with My Smart Blinds. Simple, solar, smart.
Now, smart homes, they're nice and they make our lives easier. But what do you do about the appliances that you already own that are not Wi-Fi enabled? Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
And that's where the Bond comes in. The remote controls in your home send special signals using radio waves or infrared. The Bond can read, remember, and duplicate these signals. It also connects to your home Wi-Fi. So using your phone, tablet, Amazon Echo, Google Home, whatever you want, you control the Bond controls your appliances, and you'll never need your old remotes again.
Classic design, modern performance. Philips Hue lights allow you to decorate your home, adding comfort, style, and creating the perfect ambience for every occasion.
Every journey has a story worth telling. When we bring our cameras with us, we have a vision for how we can capture moments that we never want to forget. That's why we built Narbox, a rugged, compact device that's designed to make the creative process easier for anyone with a camera. No matter where you are, you can edit 4K videos and RAW photos without having to bring a laptop. Using Narbox is simple. All you have to do is plug in your memory card, connect to the Narbox Wi-Fi network, and open our app. Within seconds, you can trim your clips, stitch them together into a highlight reel with perfectly synced music, all in full resolution. And it also packs a powerful quad-core processor, GPU, and RAM, so your phone can tackle videos just like your laptop does. At the end of the day, all of your shots are backed up, organized, and ready to sync to the cloud, your desktop, or your favorite editing programs. No matter what your adventure is, how you choose to capture it, or what story you want to tell, Narbox is here to support the way you create.